Right, here we have the top of the fume extractor. This is a fume cube made by Purex. We have two ports. They don't all come in two ports, unfortunately. They come in single port and twin port. This is the twin port version, and I have one redundant port. So unfortunately, if you have the single port and you do this upgrade, you will lose your hose. You'll have to disconnect the hose and connect to it. And with the twin port one, you get to keep your hose as well as this product. So yeah, that's one thing to bear in mind if you decide to go ahead with this upgrade. And also, it really don't matter what brand fume extractor you got either, so you'll be able to use this product as long as you've got the port for it. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not associated with this company whatsoever, so I'm just showing it, just put it out there what it's about and how it works. 50mm downdraught tray made by Bofa, and there's the product key number if anyone wants it. Right, I've got it all set up now. Well, sort of set up. I've got it out of the box. And as you can see, it's a big tray. And it has a hose coming off it. This is a 50mm hose. And the way it works is, it has loads of holes in this grill, which is on top. And this essentially becomes your intake hose. As you can see on the side, there's like a big void which goes underneath the tray, which connects to this hose at the back, and this will go off to your fume extractor, and that's a 50mm one. They do a 75. This is made by Bofa. It doesn't matter, as long as you can connect to this hose, you'll be able to connect it to your fume extractor. So don't worry about brands and all that, because as you can tell, my fume extractors are not made by Bofa. And also you can change the hose at the back if you really wanted to. But the way it works is it draws the fumes in there and then around there, and then off to your fume extractor. And the benefit of this is, no matter where you move the microscope to and do your soldering underneath the microscope, you will be underneath, well, you'll be over the top of the intake valve, which goes off to your fume extractor. So yeah, so this will completely eliminate fumes underneath the microscope. And so far I'm really impressed with how smart it looks and everything. So yeah, if you have this problem where you get fumes under the microscope, this is a brilliant upgrade for your workbench. And it also, because it's metal on top, you can do all your soldering on top like you can on a blue mat. So yeah, so you can do away with your blue mat or whatever sort of mat you got, yeah, and fit this underneath your microscope. So you can do the soldering on top of the metal grill. Unfortunately, I did notice the edges are made out of plastic, so you won't be able to go to the edge. Right, because but soldering on top of that metal grill should be absolutely fine. But yeah, I'm really impressed in how smart it looks, and yeah, it's a great upgrade. And also, it eliminates fumes underneath the microscope. I won't get the problem where I'm breathing in fumes while I'm soldering. And yeah, it's a brilliant upgrade. I highly recommend it. I'm going to do a quick demonstration of it quickly. I'm going to quickly hook it up. Right, I just set it up for demonstration purposes. As you can see, I've got it over the side of the bench at the moment. It's going to be going through the bench. Just need to drill the hole. And this is the tallest bolt holder I own. This is the Quangi I-Pinch. It's quite a tall bolt holder, so this will be as high up as I'll be soldering at any given time. And I'm going to burn some solder now. And you can see it being drawn towards the tray. So this will be being drawn into the tray and then off to your fume extractor. So where it's being drawn downwards, you won't be breathing it in when overlooking it underneath a microscope. So yeah, it's a brilliant product. Really impressed with it. It works really well. If you do a lot of soldering, this is perfect for doing a lot of soldering underneath a microscope. Save you breathing in a lot of fumes. Yeah, so I highly recommend this. It's made by Bofa. I showed the product number in the previous clip. And yeah, if you can give us a thumbs up, that'd be great. And also, I'm going to show you another product that I bought. This product here was KT4, it's called. It's sold by Kaisertech, which is a great product. It's designed for larger devices like Xboxes and laptops. I'll demonstrate this in another video when it turns up. I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.